Hey guys, welcome back to Craftiverse Kids. Today I want to do canvas art, handmade with my paint pens, and I just want to show you a couple of my previous drawings to show you what I'm able to do. So first I have this Bart Simpson. Yeah, it's really good to me. This little marshmallow boy dancing to music. This ice cube. This is acrylic paint. Let's see what else I have. I think I have one more. It's a beach, but we'll get to that later. Okay, so let's get into it. So I'm going to be using this black canvas. I'm going to use paint pens from Sharpie. I'll have white or black, white, red, blue, green, purple, and yeah. I've got these itty bitty ones from the 5-in-1 craft kit. And yeah, okay, let's get into it. So right now, I think I'm just gonna do abstract, like little lines everywhere. It's gonna look really awesome. Okay, so first, I think I wanna go in with green, because why not? So I'm gonna go with a line like that there. Kind of looks like a K. To me, it looks really good so far. It looks like cracks. I like that. So now that I'm done with the green, I'm gonna go in with the white. But really, with abstract, you can make a mistake and turn it into art. My favorite artist is Basquiat, because he does really, really nice abstract / graffiti art. I did one of his artworks in school and got 100 on it. Really awesome. The one downside with working with paint is you gotta wait to put anything over it. So yeah, going in with blue. Now I'm going in with red. Okay, so I'm gonna use this purple and a little bit of globs. And it wants to come out. There's a lot of work right now. Can't even see it. Wow. Awesome glasses. Craftiverse kids. Craftiverse kids. Oh, who wants it? Craftiverse kids! Okay, so I'm gonna go in with white.
Perfect.
And that's my signature. So now that I got those things out of the way, I'm gonna go in with this really nice sky blue.
Cody. Perfect.
Add a couple of stars.
Perfect.
I'm gonna go in with this light orange. I'm gonna put some X's.
Perfect.
Okay, let's wrap this up and then we're gonna be done.
Perfect.
And we're done. 3, 2, 1. Whoa! It looks awesome. It looks like space. It looks like ocean, beach. Mwah, 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 mwah. Peace out, everybody. Bye. Make sure you get your merch, Craftiverse Kids. Bye, everybody. Make sure you like and subscribe.